welcome to my room. I hope you like this setup. I'm still trying to figure it out. I haven't done a sit down video yet in my new apartment, so I'm trying things out. But the light is just absolute shit in every single corner of my room, and this is the best I can get. Believe it or not, you're in my desk on a shelf right now. I wanted to show you some new finds. I haven't done a haul on my channel for a long time. I got a lot of hate on my last one. Bitches see a female Asian YouTuber that likes clothes and swear she's copying best dressed. During this quarantine, I've been trying to find myself. I'm 20 years old. And I feel like it's time to develop a personality maybe, or, you know, a type of style. I'm not gonna lie, my new style is honestly very basic and kind of trendy, but I like it, so let me live. I don't know. The way that I try to visualize my new style and kind of figure it out is definitely use Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I'm a very visual person, so it really helps out when I have Pinterest boards kind of laying out the new groove I'm trying to have. The amount of TikTok videos I have saved on my phone of outfit inspirations, it's kind of embarrassing, but TikTok is really good for finding, you know, girls or guys or folks in general that have style that you really like, but you don't really know where to get started. And it really helps out because they're constantly putting out content, unlike me. If Pinterest is kind of daunting for you, because it was for me at the beginning, TikTok is a really good place to start, because I've seen a ton of TikToks that takes pictures from Pinterest and then they put it on their own TikTok, so it's just kind of like they curate it for you. I don't know, I'm just trying to justify why I had to put a 2-hour limit daily for TikTok. A 2-hour limit. Before I get started on all the good stuff, I wanted to thank you guys so much for supporting me and allowing me to do something as vain as buying my dream wardrobe. I'm so grateful that I had enough of disposable income, I guess, to just do this. Okay, sorry, that was the longest intro I've ever done, but I wanted to just kind of lay everything out. Okay, so starting off with my thrifted tops, I have this one that is kind of a glittery but not itchy, which is a godsend. I think it fits me so well, and I discovered that I really love like kind of funky, psychedelic, like 70s type patterns. I love that even though the pattern's kind of crazy and that it's glittery, the colors are very toned down and dark, so it's not like, here's a pop pink glittery shirt with a funky pattern. Like, I feel like this is really nice for me to kind of dip my toes in the water for a new fun style. I think this would look heavenly with a midi skirt as well, like a blue one. Will you believe that I got this shirt for 50 cents? Earthy tan brown colors is something that I'm really liking lately, so this is just a match made in heaven for me. The sequins and embellishments are so fun, but it's kind of long for me, so I usually just do a little thought knot on the side. Okay, yeah, this is a little plain. That's okay. I just ordered this Hello Kitty sequin iron-on from Etsy, and I wanted to find like a cheap black baby tee, so I got this one to house my sparkly Hello Kitty in the future. I got this one at the flea market, and I really love the colors and the kind of like inverted stitching that's been really in lately. I'm not an 03 baby, but let's just pretend that they're random numbers. And the only non-thrifted short sleeve that I have is this one from Brandy Melville, and I know Brandy Melville, but I saw this and I just absolutely fell in love with it. I love how it doesn't look so basic. Okay, it's kind of basic, but I still like it. We all know that I love my animal print. And now for today's episode of Jazzy Can't Speak Simple Words because she has a fat tongue. Enjoy. It's also embroidered, which I am a total hoe It's embroidered, which I'm a total hoe for. Good job, Jazzy. I always wear this with some low-rise jeans like the ones that I'm wearing now, and I like when your belly kind of pops in a little. Moving on to some tank tops. That is something I never thought I would say, because tank tops make me insecure. If you watch my past videos, you know that I'm very insecure about my shoulders, like my armpits. I have no boobs. It's just this area is not my favorite part of my body, but I'm just really trying to get over that shit. I wanted to thrift it to find some like fun things that I'm like, this is so cool, I need to wear it anyways. Can we just take a moment for this? And there's glitter glued on it. My favorite thing about it are these like kind of waist cinching string type thing. I'm really good with words. When you tighten that baby up, it looks so nice. I feel like Silver Mist from like Tinkerbell. It was pretty big for me when I first got it with the straps, but I just cut the straps off to my desired length and then sewed it on the inside. If you look closely, actually don't look closely, just admire this glittery fabric. This is totally outside of my comfort zone. I wouldn't be caught dead in a halter top 2 months ago, but here I am, loving it. I'm like very surprised that I like it because it's in a shape that I'm not completely comfortable with, and this neon color is very neon. We love that there's pads in it, so we won't be wearing a bra. It is a bit long for me though, so I usually just like fold it under itself. I found this one in the sleepwear section, and I don't know, I don't really know how to style it yet. I definitely want to wear a t-shirt under it because these spaghetti straps are just a little too advanced for me right now, confidence wise, but I'm very excited to try to learn how to style this to make me feel cute and beautiful. Next up are long sleeves, and I am absolutely obsessed with this long sleeve that I got at the flea market. It makes me feel like I'm cool and like a rocker chick. Obviously I'm not, but it's fun to feel like that. I'm loving just like rhinestones and embellishments and cool patterns on any article of clothing, and this is no exception. I feel like every like 90s mom had this, and now I just want to feel like a hot MILF, okay? Is that too much to ask for? I'm trying to incorporate more black into my wardrobe. Yesterday was the first time in years where I've worn an all black outfit. This one's kind of in a similar vibe to the last one, but completely different colors. This is definitely more bright and it has fucking butterflies on it. Okay, so this one's a little iffy. I found this in the girls section. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, and I'm still kind of iffy about it, but I am in love with the mesh sleeves. There's bell sleeves on this, are you kidding? Obviously some glitter on the fabric, I'll be surprised. The only thing I'm iffy about is this right here, which is kind of like the main part of the shirt. I have been seeing this top everywhere on Pinterest and just social media in general. Brown on brown is so in right now, and this top I think perfectly emulates this new trend. It's so soft, and I really love the way that this looks, and it has like the inverted stitching, which is also very on trend. So sorry, I'm a trendy bitch, it's just I like it. And another long sleeve I got was this one. This type of top I've seen on Unif, and I love just like this cool pattern type thing. I got some button-ups and cardigans, and the first one is this. Wow, this is so funky. I feel kind of like hairstyles would wear something like this. The fabric is absolutely magnificent. It's kind of metallic, like iridescent. Before this thrifting trip, I had no button-ups in my closet. I didn't even think to ever get a button-up, but when I was scrolling through my Pinterest, I found that I really like outfits with really funky button-ups. So when I saw this, I was like, we're gonna try it out, we're gonna see if we like it, and I absolutely love it. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, and it's actually astonishing to me that I really didn't have anything in yellow in my wardrobe, so I wanted to try it out with this one. This is from Banana Republic, and I remember when I was younger, I would always go with my mom to Banana Republic because that was her shit. And I was like, ew, I would never wear Banana Republic. Well, here we are now. Did I need more oversized shirts practically? No. Do I need them anyways? Yes. Unfortunately, none of these are thrifted, but I love them anyways. This one's from an Instagram page, and it says, friendly reminder, not being racist is not enough. Which is very true. You have to be actively anti-racist, please. I beg of you. Yes, I did get this shirt way too big. I accidentally got a 2XL. I definitely meant to get just a normal XL or even a large, I feel like would be good. I've quite literally been living in this band tee lately. Did I spend way too much money on a shirt that has holes all over it? Yes. But it makes me happy. Chucky is my favorite horror movie franchise ever because it's not actually very scary in my opinion. It's just kind of like funny shit jokes. My dad and I would just watch Chucky together all the time, and I don't really hang out with my dad that much, so like, happy memories. If you have been on any form of social media in the past couple of months, you know that bitches have been loving grandpa sweater vests, and I am bitches. I got this one from Amazon, and I feel like it kind of fits me a little weird, but I love the color and the shape of it. I also definitely don't need more crew necks, but I got more. Another brown item. Are we surprised? No. I got this one at the flea yesterday and I just love how unapologetically grandma it is. I got this baby today. It's embroidered kind of 3D and it's guess. I think this would look magnificent in so many different ways, especially with a collar inside. White tennis skirt, light blue jeans. Other ways to style a crew neck. Can we just take a moment and appreciate this? And how this was only $5. Back, I think, is dope as fuck. My desired aesthetic is just grandma but cool. This is it. When I saw this blazer at the thrift store, I knew I had to get it. It fits me so well. This animal print and the angular type silhouette is such a boss bitch power move. I'm so excited to wear this when I go to business meetings and just get interrupted by every man every 5 seconds. The patriarchy. I have 2 slip dresses here and I don't know if I'll ever be 100% confident in wearing them just solo, but I definitely want to try to layer them with a short sleeve or a long sleeve under or with a leather jacket over. This one's a bit short, but I really like the pattern and just the way that it looks. And then I just have this little black one because it's just sexy. I've been really trying to find more pants other than the beloved Madewell jeans that I wore every single day for the past 2 years. First are these low-rise ones that I have, and low-rise / mid-rise has definitely been coming back into trend lately and I'm really liking it. And I also got these brown ones that are low-rise from Brandy. I have been wearing these an embarrassingly amount since I've got them, but I just love the brown, okay? I'm so excited about these new pants. They're very long on me. I'm 5'2" and I have fairly short legs, but I still love them anyways. This is such a big part of my body that's just strictly animal print, and I never thought I would have the confidence or just the want to wear this. They're kind of like the shape and fit of those magical pants that makes every girl's ass look absolutely magnificent, so I'm excited for that. Leather pants, especially the Melina pant, Aritzia, has been all over TikTok and just everyone's been loving leather pants lately. They're definitely very out of my comfort zone, but I'm very excited to kind of learn how to style it. I still have the tag on it because I still don't know if I want to return it. Okay, so I know that these 2 skirts are probably not going to be everyone's cup of tea, and I will admit they're a little out there. I found this in the Goodwill girls section and I know that they're a little odd, but when I saw it I was like, I love it anyways. I don't care if other people think it's weird. And I saw a skirt very similar to this on Jaded London that I was very tempted to buy, but I didn't want to pay $70 for a skirt that I probably would never wear. So when I saw these, I was like, this is God telling me that I need to just try this out. I pinned this specific skirt on my Pinterest so many times and I was like, okay, I need to bite the bullet. I need to get it. Definitely overpriced and probably not the best quality, but I scoured the depths of the internet to try to find a dupe on AliExpress or just literally anywhere else. I could not find it and I kept on thinking about this skirt, so I did it. I love the pattern. I think it's so fun, but the fit is so odd. Like they have these little, like the zipper things on the side. I don't know, just like the way that it was sewn, it makes my hips look more angular, and I'm pretty sure I didn't order the size that they gave me, so they're a little big on me. I think I'm just gonna have to get it tailored or use safety pins and just kind of disregard what it looks like in the back. Just looking at this growing pile of clothes behind me, oh my god. I have been wearing this fluffy leopard. Is this leopard or cheetah? I always get confused. Every single day since I've gotten it, it is so fun, and I think it matches or just like kind of elevates every outfit. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot that I got shoes. Again, on my Pinterest board, I've been noticing that I really just like these. I've just seen that a ton of outfits that I pinned, the girls are wearing these type of boots. So I was like, let me just try these boots. My mom used to wear these all the time and I thought they were the ugliest things ever. But here we are again. I guess my mom just she's just ahead of her time. Or is it just that past fashion trends are just kind of repeating itself? I don't know. But I have these boots now. All right, that's my new wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for just supporting me and allowing me to be able to get all of this stuff. It's been really fun to thrift and find new things that I like and expand my horizons. Come along on this journey with me to self-confidence and just trying to find my new style. Hope you enjoy the ride. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh my god, I'm so tired.